So what is leather really, and how does the industry work? Leather is an ancestral, natural-based and noble material. It has been used for thousands of years for a host of everyday objects. Leather is known for its beauty, its resistance, and its capacity to be maintained and repaired. First and foremost, leather making is one of the world's oldest forms of upcycling. Because to make leather, we use the skin of the animals we eat. We call this the fifth quarter. But let's look at how the leather industry works in 7 steps. First step, the livestock farming. All over France, farmers raise animals such as cattle, sheep, lambs. The animals are then taken to the slaughterhouse, where the meat is prepared to be shipped to a butcher near you. But the animal's skin cannot be eaten, so it's important to upcycle it. After the slaughter follows the collection. In France, the leather industry upcycles 160,000 tons of animal skin, the equivalent of the weight of 20 Eiffel Towers per year. Third step, tanning. The skins are collected and transported to a tannery, where they will be turned into leather. The tanner will give it different color finishes and feels so that each piece is unique, lasts as long as possible, and meets the expectations of the designers who imagine the future products, but also the technical requirements of the craftspeople who make them. Then comes the manufacturing. Once finished, leathers are sold to manufacturers who will design and make the products you use in everyday life. Shoes, bags, gloves, jackets, sofas, watch bracelet, cars or motorbike seats, belts, balls. Leather is everywhere. Artisans also use leather very often to craft highly exceptional items that make France world-renowned for its know-how in the luxury sector. Next step, the retail. The leather products are shipped to stores near you, where you can choose the item most suited to your needs and taste. The salesperson will advise on choosing the right leather item, but also on how to clean it, maintain it, and repair it if it gets damaged. And finally, the repair. There is always a shoe repairer, a store or a specialist who can maintain your leather item or repair it to give it a second lease of life. Because all leather products can be repaired. Repairing is always cheaper than buying new, and it's good for the planet. 3 things to remember about leather. First, it is one of the oldest upcycling industries. Second, animals are not killed for leather. Finally, leather is resistant, and it is all the more durable because it can be maintained and repaired. In France, the leather industry represents 12,800 businesses, 133,000 employees, and people passionate about the material, and 25 billion euros in turnover, of which 13 billion is generated through exports. In short, it's an industry that aspires to stay close and go far.